Spider-Man, I think I figured out how Fisk's men are keeping his rackets running. Construction sites.
Wasn't that shut down when he was arrested?
No, it's one of his legitimate businesses. Multiple investors. We can't act without cause.
But now you've got that, right?
That's why I'm hoping you can keep an eye on the locations. Tell me if you see anything suspicious.
You got it. I'll be your nosy neighborhood Spider-Man. Yuri, I'm at a Fisk construction site, and there's a lot of guys here who aren't exactly constructing.
What are they doing?
I'm gonna go find out.
Huh, just got a text from Doc. Looks like he attached an idea for a Spidey gadget. Man, does he ever stop inventing? Wow, this looks like it could work. Awesome. Doc would be proud.
Can't believe Spider-Man finally won.
It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, I know, but I remember when he was a punk kid and the boss used to hand him his ass on the regular.
I thought the boss killed him that one time.
Maybe he did.
Like that time.
More than one Spider-Man.
I killed him. That's all we need, an army of Spider-Men.
You guys are new here, so let me give you rule number one. You do not want to be late with a shipment. Ever. Boss runs a tight ship. He does not like screw-ups. We had this guy once. He decided to stop off for a drink on the way.
Sleep it off.
That was his last. You know what I mean? We get paid well because we deliver. Every time, on time. Who was here? Got it?
Johnny, that's...
Literally didn't see that coming.
Hell? Spider-Man's here! I saw you got Spider-Man in my sights! Oh, shit, you're dead! Can't hit him in the air! Knock him down! The hell? Keep him on the ground! Get him! The boss wants Spider-Man's head! Lucky shot! Come on! That's not fair! We'll take you alive or dead. This doesn't... Ouch! This'll shut your mouth! Bring it fallow, Rita! Get down!
Uh-oh. More of them.
Can't hit him in the air! Get down!
Spider-Man, turns out we busted 4 illegal firearms dealers within a 3-block radius of that site.
Gun running. Let's see what I can do to cut down the supply.
You're toast! Where's he get this stuff? Busted high! Heads up! He's airborne! I'm in an ass-kicking move! Can't hit him in the air!
Dang, looks like they called their buddies.
Come on! Hit him! We'll take you alive or dead!
Oh, hey, more guys. Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, buy some socks already.
I can't reach you if you don't mess with the kingpin. It's me. Don't even think about doing that to me. Keep him on the ground. Here comes the pain. You got Davey.
Ah, anyone want to surrender? No?
Friggin' ballerina. Sit down here. Now. I'm in the ass-kicking mood. Quick, like this, you're airborne. You're not bulletproof. Get back here. I'm not done with you. That's right. How to do that? No! We'll take you alive or dead. This doesn't care. Get back down here! Hold that easy. Hit him hard. Get down here and fight like a man. You're gonna have a fast day. Stay away from his gadget. The hell was that?
Place is locked down, Captain. Actually, webbed down.
And someone finally reported shots fired, so I've got officers inbound. Good work. Fisk has more construction sites throughout the city, betting their fronts too. Keep an eye out, and report in if you see anything suspicious.
If I'm gonna find all of Fisk's construction sites, I should recalibrate my mapping software to be more accurate. Using a depth-mapped post-process on photos of popular landmarks should do it. And I know just the one to start with.
Flatbush Avenue exit.
I think I smoothed things over with the grant committee. If Lance Corporal Texador's fitting tomorrow goes well, we should be okay.
That's fantastic, Doc. We're back on track.
Provisionally, as long as our little incident escaped the mayor's attention. You'll be at the fitting tomorrow?
Definitely. It'll go great. We're gonna change the world, Doc.
I'll settle for not starting any more fires. See you tomorrow, Peter. Here's to a successful day.
Good old Empire State. Man, I love this town. Time to grab a snapshot. That'll do it. Map should be recalibrated now. Haven't done much photography since quitting the Bugle. Forgot how much I enjoy it. Huh, it's Mr. Lee. Hello?
Peter, it's Martin Lee. I just wanted to let you know we need a little extra time to get set for May's party. I guess the cake delivery is stuck in traffic.
Oh, sure thing. Just let me know when you're ready and I'll swing by.
Great. Talk to you soon.
Okay, got some time to kill. Let's see what's happening out in the city. Reserve the right to refuse service and knock out any criminals. Says so right on the sign. Good old-fashioned holdup. Vintage crime stopping right there.
10-10. Witness called in a narcotic sale. Officers needed in Koreatown.
Drug trade's gotten more aggressive post-Fisk. Hey, guys! You got prescriptions for this stuff?
I'm gonna put you in the ground! Back off! Kill him! Get ready!
Hi, Mr. Lee.
Hey, Peter, we're all set for the party whenever you're ready.
Cool, I'm on my way. Now, where did I put my bag? Mr. Lee's probably in the kitchen getting ready for the party.
Hey, Peter.
Hey guys, how's the game going?
How's it look like it's going? I'm winning.
Get this guy checked for dementia, Pete. I'm crushing him.
Well, the important thing is having fun.
I have a lot of fun whooping his ass.
Hey, Peter. What's up?
Just dropping in.
And a barrage of gunfire coming from inside the building after Spider-Man and the NYPD.
Hey, Martin, so sorry I'm late.
You're right on time. Just keep her distracted while we get everything ready.
You got it. Hey, there's my favorite aunt.
Peter, what a nice surprise.
Need some help?
Yeah, sure. Oh, there are some heavy boxes.
No. I mean, not yet. I mean, I came to, I just wanted to talk.
Okay. Okay. Peter, are you in trouble? Do you need money?
No, I mean, I'm a little behind on my rent, but no, I'm fine.
Girl problems again, huh?
What? No, that's crazy.
I still wish you and MJ could work things out. She's a great girl.
She is, but...
The two of you would make some beautiful
Wow!
babies. Peter. What is it? Come on. You can tell me.
These past few years, you helping me through college and working here, and sacrificing so much and asking for nothing. I just wish there were more people like you in the world.
He's right. 5 years ago, you walked in here and told me you were inspired by my mission to help others. Now it's you who inspires me. Thank you, May, for everything. Here's to many more years of service.
Thanks again for setting all this up.
Oh, I just wish I could do more.
Well, May's always told me if you help someone,
You help everyone. Maybe we should send May to City Hall to have a word with the mayor.
Oh, I gotta run. Thanks again for the party and everything. It really means a lot. Voicemail from Yuri. Should check it outside.
It wasn't long before the city's very own Spider-Man appeared at the scene to provide support in shutting down.
Voicemail from Yuri.
Hey, silent alarm at the auction house holding Fisk's estate sale just tripped. Could you check it out? Quietly? I don't want to make a scene if it's nothing.
Fisk estate sale. Sounds fun. Wonder what the Kingpin had hidden in his closets.
Attention units. Witness report of an assault in progress. Reported location is in the vicinity of Nomad.
Peter, I lost track of you at the party.
Yeah, I had to get to the lab. Sorry.
Don't apologize. I just wanted to tell you how much what you said meant to me. I always wonder if I'm doing right by you.
Well, stop wondering. After losing my parents and Uncle Ben, there are so many times I would have fallen apart if not for you.
Well, that works both ways, Peter. I just wanted to make sure you knew that.
May, I don't know what to say.
Oh, I think Mr. Lee needs my help. I should go. See you soon, dear. I love you.
Love you too.
Way near Atlantic Avenue, please. Attention units. Need response to a break-in. Reported location is in the vicinity of Nomad.
Oh no! It's Spider-Man!
Ever hear a knocking?
We're outmatched here! How are we supposed to fight him up there, huh? You don't know who you're messing with!
So, you're all going to jail, where I bet you'll be as good at breaking out as you were at breaking in. I gotta stop that car.
You want it back, because you stole it. To use in a robbery. Pull over.
Please tell me your horn plays Dixie.
No Spider-Man! Every street posting to the next bit.
Now that's just rude. Yeah. Long time no see. Do auto insurers offer a webbing clause yet? $1 million idea just waiting to happen.
Available unit, narcotics sale reported. Reported location is near Lincoln. Over. All units be advised. Commercial robbery is in progress. Please proceed to Columbia.
I am losing patience. Where is the file?
There's someone else here. They must have taken it.
Those masks. Who are these guys?
There's no one here but us. We will find the file, or you will die.
This is bad. They'll kill her if I alert them. Need to pick them off silently. Yuri, the silent alarm was legit. Masked gunmen and a single hostage. Looks like a heist in progress.
Copy that. Sending units your way. Keep the situation from getting worse in the meantime.
Can do. Gotta do this quietly. Don't want to alert the others.
我听见有声音，时刻保持警惕。
They always look so cozy whipped up like that. Should web him from above. Whoa, careful. stay quiet now.
请去那边看看，交给我。
Someone's coming. They'll see me down here.
Patience wears thin.
Someone else is here. I swear. She must have the file.
If they're here, where are they?
I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know.
Move it, Pete. Bad guys are getting ready to be bad.
眼睛睁大点，有开了。别动摇。谁在那儿？
That time. Hey, what is that? This totally belongs to...
Don't move!
Buddy, if I had a nickel for every don't move...
Hey, Pete.
MJ? What are you doing here?
Same as you. Working. At least, I was.
Oh, I think this is yours.
Yeah, thanks.
So, Robbie's got you covering a break-in for the Bugle?
Well, Robbie doesn't technically know I'm here. And it wasn't a break-in until a few minutes ago.
Huh?
Let me explain.